So the hurricane prep's already underway, Steve, and we are close to that hurricane season.
Absolutely. On June 1st, Thursday, we'll have a hurricane special here at ABC 7 starting at 7 o'clock. Everything you need to know to be ready for the upcoming hurricane season, which early indications are it could be a little busy.
All right.
Well, what a great Memorial Day. Out in the water today.
It was beautiful.
Moat says the water temperature is 82. I think it was more like 79 or 80. A little chilly, but I enjoyed it. Let's take a look at the webcam looking over Sarasota Bay today. And look at the puffy cumulus clouds. Notice they don't go up very high. They're just a couple hundred feet thick. That's because of strong high pressure bringing sinking and drying air over the state. That's what's keeping the rain away, and that high pressure will eventually weaken as the week progresses. Currently at Sarasota Bay International Airport, 85, the dew point 72, so the humidity is coming up. I'm sure you can feel that, and it'll be around tomorrow, but it'll be a beach day. It'll be a great day to get outdoors. Just use the sunscreen. Temperatures across the state right now. Miami currently 92. They broke a record today with 96. Tampa 86 right now, 89 at Fort Myers. And it is roasting in parts of our viewing area. Look at this in Sebring and Lake Placid in the mid-90s, but with that cooling onshore breeze only in the low to mid-80s along the immediate Suncoast. Well, there is that high pressure that is giving us great holiday weather, but it is also keeping the rain, which we need, away. It will eventually fade in the next couple of days, and we'll tell you about that in a minute. But right now, the trouble spots across the country, Texas. Tornado warning was in effect right there just south of Shreveport in far east Texas. That's a big severe thunderstorm watch across a wide area of Texas and Louisiana. Another trouble spot is from about Fort Wayne, Indiana, Indianapolis, Cleveland, Toledo to Erie, Pennsylvania. And look at all these clouds and rain moving up over the northeast from that warm sector of that system. That's keeping it cool on this Memorial Day weekend. Boston only 61 and kind of dreary, 64 in New York City. But go back in the sun, Montreal 77, 76 in Chicago, and I'll tell you, 83 in Seattle. They are loving it. They go crazy when it gets that warm up there because it's generally a lot cooler and dreary. Well, here is the RPM computer forecast model showing this high pressure staying in place for a couple of days. But look, on Tuesday it fades away, and magically we have the afternoon and evening thunderstorms developing over the interior. That high has kept the sea breeze thunderstorm engine, the one that brings in the Atlantic sea breeze and the Gulf sea breeze, causing collisions and then outflow boundaries. It's a beautiful thing to watch all summer, bringing us regular rain and cooler evenings. Well, I think it's going to kick in. If we move into the long range RPM futurecast, it takes us right on through Friday. You can see the moisture just keeps getting more and more each day. This is a little overblown, but I just want to show you it's indicating we are going to have more moisture and a greater chance of showers and thunder showers in the afternoon and evening hours as we move through the week. So here are your weather headlines. It'll be sunny on Memorial Day, and we'll also have great weather for beach and boating. And rain will return in just a few days. Hang in there. There's your beach and boating forecast. Northwest winds 5 knots, seas 2 feet or less. Bay and inland waters will have a light chop. The sun is bright. UV index 12. Some of the most intense sunlight of the season right now for the next 6 weeks. So be alert to that. Water temperature, they say, is 82 at Moat Marine. I think it's a little cooler than that. Here's your forecast for tonight. Clear and warmer, 73. The overnight low temperatures with that sea breeze slackening off, and they'll come back tomorrow. And here's the 7-day outlook showing, look at that, a 60% chance of afternoon evening thunderstorms by Wednesday, Thursday 70, Friday 50%. But for tomorrow, it looks like it's a sunny and mild day, high 90.